Okay, so this is the ultrasonic rangefinder that we are building for our project 4. As you can see, it's already running. This is our rangefinder right here, or our sensor. I do apologize. It is displaying green. First it's for the setting. As I bring it closer, the blue one comes up, then the red one, and then the buzzer, right? It all works pretty well, pretty self-explanatory. 40, 20, 10, and 5, I believe. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling everything. Of course, I'll go ahead and remove the power just to make sure nothing happens. And then, I think in order to assemble this project, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's not anything out of this world. You just got to make sure that all the pins are plugged into the proper pins in our Arduino. The way you can do that is you can just tell that from our coding, right? So we're going to go ahead and plug in our ultrasonic sensor. We have to power that, so that's our power, and then we do have to ground that as well. We are going to go ahead and get our white cable. Doesn't really matter what color cable it is. We're just going to go into our trig. If we look at our code, it says that trig goes into pin 2, so pin 2. Boom. We're going to get an orange cable. Like I said, doesn't matter what color. Put that into our echo. Echo goes in pin 3 according to our code. Boom. This is our buzzer. I will be sharing the same ground with our sensor in order to just save some cable and some time, right? So we plug this in right around, if I could get it, right there. Wrong one, sorry, right there. Perfect. Now we are gonna go ahead and get this yellow one, plug it into the row, which is our buzzer. We read our code. It does say that buzzer goes into pin 13. Boom, pin 13, done, right? Now we go ahead and put all our LEDs. So we'll go ahead and start with our green, boom, our blue, boom, and our red, boom. We do have to ground those all off, so I'll ground this green one, throw this one over here, right? That's grounded, and now we just share all the grounds, right? So grounded goes in here, goes in here, and this ground goes in here, which then goes in here. That's all grounded. Now we plug in all our LEDs. So our green LED, according to our code, goes to pin 8. Our blue LED goes again according to our code, goes to 11. And lastly our red dust goes to 12. Red goes into our pin number 12. Boom. Now if I plug this in, everything should be working properly. Perfect. Unless I flip one of the LEDs by mistake. Boom. Now everything's running perfectly again. A quick little look at our plotter and our monitor. So we go here, monitor, right? Boom. As you can see, the values, if I move it up and down, the values constantly change, which is just displaying the values that the Arduino sensor is sensing. So now we go to our plotter, same thing, but just in a plotting, in a table, right? Or a graphical formation, sorry, I do apologize. And this is me just moving my hand further and closer to the sensor. Quick little explanation how the voltage is powered through. Of course, we're powering our Arduino with our laptop through this cable. These two cables, which is voltage, ground, does power our sensor. That is powered 24/7 as long as we maintain it connected, of course. While our buzzer and our 3 LEDs are only powered whenever the Arduino code tells it to, right? So in this case, only the green one is powered, blue one is powered, red one is powered, all of them are powered, right? That's all it is. So it goes in, powers that. Arduino program tells what pins to power. So the power goes through the jumper cables from those pins into the components.